today I'm cleaning up. Fresh flowers out in my living room. This is the arrangement I did the other day. Now, let's get to that refrigerator. Let's tackle that job. We about to clean out this refrigerator. All right, guys, so I am up super early. I'm getting my fridge clean. Yes, it's early. I brush my teeth. I'm drinking my coffee. I don't water my plants. Look, I've rested the last 2 days. And my husband, he was like, baby, get some more rest. Look, my grandfather always told me, you can rest in your grave. When it's time to get up, look, I'm energized. I'm ready. I done cleaned up. I can't stand a messy ass house. I can't take it. My husband is gone. I love my husband, but he's very messy. Now he clean, but he messy. And I already did a lot of the work, but I need to clean out my fridge, and that is what I'm going to do right now with y'all here with me, hopefully. And yeah, I'm gonna get all my veggies. I had went to the store the other day because I'm trying to eat a little healthier. I got me a green tomato, which I'm gonna fry. I got me some Vidalia sweet onions because I love them. Let me grab my trash can because I know there's some stuff in here that just needs to go in the trash, and we about to get it done, baby. I pulled everything out over here. I'm about to empty stuff that I cooked, and I just need to cleanse and clean, baby. Cleanse and clean. It ain't no good positivity that can come into a nasty ass house. Junkie. Yeah. Don't judge me. Judge your mammy. So, let's get this stuff cleaned up. We're talking about, while I'm cleaning, just a little prosperity for you. This is a little feng shui, right? And no, okay? I'm living my best life right now. But a little prosperity for you. That's old. Remember this, y'all. Throw away at least 21 things and move at least 27 things. And it resets the energy in your home. I am cleaning out my fridge because it needs to be done. And I'm gonna do it early because I have to do some business stuff. Look, we about to choose the move. Choose the move. You got to get shit done in this era. You got to get shit done. And it won't get done by itself if you don't do it. So get shit done. Clean out your fridge. Just clean it out. Get your ass up. Do the work, y'all. Do the work. Oh, I got another one. Didn't know that. But yeah, I am. And then I'm moving a little faster than normal because your girl drank some coffee. I just cannot. I cannot. Shit has to have a place. It has to have a place. So you just have to make shit work for you, y'all. And it's not that bad. But it's bad when you're not organized with your shit. Yeah. Get rid of that. Get rid of these. Because they ain't no good. Yeah, no. We got to do something. But I organized all of my veggies. Let me turn it for you so you can see. I organized all of my veggies in a bin so I know what I have. And I eat cucumbers like this and squash and cabbage. Well, let's just say I love veggies. So I stay with me some cucumbers and vegetables. Now, y'all, I bought this. See, this is what I'm talking about. And I got to get better with this. Let me drink some water. I buy vegetables. This is for lettuce wraps. And when you can't see in your fridge, this is when you get food that is spoiled. Y'all, clean your refrigerators out. So, yeah. You see all these dishes? Oh, yes, honey. I done cleaned out all of my containers. I'm going to, matter of fact, I'm going to keep these out because I need to cut all of my squash up and bag them. Bag them correctly. But yeah, life, live it, y'all. Live your motherfucking lives. Live your life. Live your life. Shit. I ain't got time for the bullshit. It's a clean life. It's a clean and positive life. It is one of them lives where I'm gonna pour this out, y'all, cause no, it's just I got to get balance, and my balance is in my house clean. Y'all, look at these plums I got from Aldi. They are so good. I'm gonna put them right there so it's easy access. I got some blueberries as well. Shit. Do blueberries go bad fast, y'all? I don't know. I'm gonna make me some oatmeal. My husband just called. He was like, throw that trash out. That's one thing your girl ain't gonna do is take no trash out. Not these hands. My husband does that, baby. I fill it up for him. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fills it up for him. I'll be like, baby, I ain't doing no damn trash. That's what I ain't gonna do. Oh. All right. Now, I'm gonna take some Clorox and I'm gonna clean these shelves. Okay. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna go in my spirit room and I'm gonna start in there cleaning. Yeah, we got to clean, honey. Y'all, I sure need. Who wanna sponsor me? Girl, my y'all, look at all this squash that somebody gave me. I need to cut that up. I'm gonna go ahead and do that while I'm doing this. Cut up my squash and bag them. And get them ready. And put them in the freezer. But yeah. My vacuum cleaner broke, y'all. You know what? I swear, I was like, baby, I need me a vacuum cleaner. I need me a vacuum cleaner. Who wants to sponsor me? Go buy some. Shit. Look at that. My hand. Look. One hand. Look how big that is. Two of my hands. Okay. And I'm not going to let them go bad. So I'm going to cut them up. In a little bit. And put them in the freezer. Put them in a gallon bag and freeze them. That's how you preserve your shit. And you see how fast shit goes. Refrigerator is clean and straight. But I really need a vacuum cleaner, y'all. Vacuum cleaner is about $70. Cash at me. $ Vasori Vibe. Not vibes with an S, but vibe. V-I-B-E. But we're gonna get this done. I'm gonna chop them up and put this trash out. I always put it, I'm gonna need another bag because this one is full. And it's all, I tell y'all, it's all about feng shui. If you carrying like this, look, these were limes that was in my fridge. You know, shame my game. It's time to throw that away. Clean y'all shit. Clean y'all shit. When you do it, you attract good energy into your home. You attract prosperity and abundance. It allows for that. Hold please. But I clean, I organize, I put shit where it can balance my energy. So this is how I live. And it's not gonna change because cleanliness is next to what? Godliness, honey. And we doing it just like that. All right, now that that is done, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get off of this video. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for allowing me to talk to you about prosperity, about pulling in that energetic feel of abundance and just wealth. You got to get prepared for it. You got to remove old stuff to allow the new energy to come in. I'm going to be saging my home today as well. I'm cleansing everything, and that's just what it is. All right, I'll see y'all later. Peace and blessings. Bye, y'all.